No.
I can't tell you.
Good answer.
Own it yourself, you know.
Duct tape.
No. I can't tell you.
Am I gonna need scissors for this?
You're a manly man.
Duct.
Yeah, the scissors are over there. There you go.
Yeah, that is what I thought.
Look inside.
You thought it was that?
Yep.
How did you know?
Because I'm a dad.
Look, it's a present.
You're welcome.
There's
Oh,
one.
yeah.
It's the Big Daddy too.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Perfect. Thank you, guys.
I didn't want to wrap it individually, and then you open that first. You're like, oh yeah, thanks. A gas can.
Thanks. Oh, this is one of those DC spouts, too.
Yeah.
This is for our whole family, even Sarah.
Oh, thank you. Perfect.
Did you see how big? Oh,
Yeah. Well, I mean, look at the length of it.
This is for Grandma, Papa, Jacob,
For everybody, thank you.
you're welcome.
Appreciate that.
You're welcome. Now that we have no trees left to cut, you can go to Danny's and have a field day.
Daddy's